Carbon has three main isotopes: carbon-12, carbon-13 and carbon-14. The first two are stable. Carbon-14 is a radioactive isotope of carbon. It is created in the atmosphere through the bombardment of nitrogen by cosmic rays. It has 6 protons and 8 neutrons in its nucleus. By contrast, most of the carbon in our body and in the outside world, known as carbon-12, has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. Crucially, those two extra neutrons make the nucleus of a carbon-14 atom unstable so that it decays radioactively into an atom of nitrogen. It is used in radiocarbon dating to determine the age of organic substances by measuring its decay over time. What is radiocarbon dating or carbon-14 dating? It is a method that provides objective age estimates for carbon-based materials that originated from living organisms. It is based on the fact that living organisms like trees, plants, people, and animals absorb carbon-14 into their tissue. When they die, the carbon-14 start to change into other atoms over time. Carbon-14 has a half-life of approximately 5730 years. That is half the amount of the isotope present at any instant will undergo spontaneous disintegration during the succeeding 5730 years. Because carbon-14 decays at this constant rate, an estimate of the date at which an organism died can be made by measuring the amount of its residual carbon-14. The technique was developed in the late 1940s at the University of Chicago by a team led by chemistry professor Willard Libby, who would later receive the Nobel Prize for the work. It has proved to be a versatile technique of dating archaeological specimens from 500 to 50,000 years old. Over the years, carbon-14 dating has also found application in geology, hydrology, geophysics, atmospheric science, oceanography, and even biomedicine.